Everybody, I'm Deidre. I have a blog called Dawn on Life, and today's video I'm going to show you guys how I updated my bathroom wall and added these Dalmatian dots. This was not easy. I learned from a lot of mistakes. I started off trying to use a stencil. It took forever. I added a lot of paint in some areas and it just started dripping. If I could do this all over again, I would definitely buy like a large stencil from Etsy and do it. Show you guys how I created this and the journey and the process. Okay, so I found this Dalmatian. I seriously just Googled Dalmatian print JPEG. I took the image, put it in Photoshop, and then I copied and pasted, and then I cleaned it up so the edges weren't like off, and then I saved that and I uploaded it in Cricut Design Space. So I'm gonna attempt to print it and see. I have like this actual stencil type plastic paper, and I saw I had these acetate sheets which could work as a stencil, but I don't know. We'll see. I found a stencil film material setting, so gonna try that and see if it works. Fine.